Everyone thinks sedans are dying. Everyone thinks you need a hybrid to be efficient. And everyone thinks a luxury sedan this aerodynamic must sacrifice power. The new Audi A6 sedan just proved all three wrong. This is the most slippery gas-powered car Audi has ever built. A drag coefficient of 0.23. That makes it more aerodynamic than a Toyota Prius. But unlike the Prius, this thing has teeth. Pop the hood, and you'll find why Audi ditched every four-cylinder option. A 3-liter turbocharged V6 sits dead center. 362 horsepower, 406 pound-feet of torque. The turbo is positioned inside the V of the engine, cutting lag to almost nothing. Throttle response feels instant. This isn't a mild hybrid pretending to be sporty. It's a proper V6 with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that snaps off shifts faster than you can blink. Quattro all-wheel drive comes standard because Audi knows traction matters more than rear-wheel bragging rights. 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.7 seconds. That's faster than the last generation despite being more efficient. You'll hit 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers combined, which translates to legitimate real-world efficiency without sacrificing anything. The exterior design backs up those numbers. Every line has been refined to cheat the wind. A wide, low single-frame grille anchors the front. Sleek LED headlights with 7 customizable light signatures flank each side. Flush door handles retract into the body. A continuous LED taillight bar stretches across the back. It looks fast even when parked. Step inside and the cabin greets you with Audi's digital stage setup. An 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a massive 14.5-inch central touchscreen. There's an optional 10.9-inch passenger display for your co-pilot to stream video without distracting you. 4-zone climate control means every passenger controls their own temperature. The optional Bang & Olufsen system delivers 810 watts through 20 speakers, including headrest-mounted units for true surround sound. Audi improved sound insulation by 30% over the previous generation. Acoustic glass in front and rear windows. Noise-absorbing foam inside every tire from 19 to 21 inches. Even the transmission gear teeth are optimized for silence. You get 496 liters of trunk space with split-folding rear seats for extra long items. The optional adaptive air suspension adjusts ride height and damping in real time. Add the all-wheel steering and this 5-meter sedan feels nimble in tight European city streets while staying planted at Autobahn speeds. So here's the verdict. In Germany, the 2026 Audi A6 sedan starts at €55,500. That puts it head-to-head with the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class. But unlike those rivals, every A6 ships with a V6 in Quattro as standard. No paying extra for all-wheel drive. No settling for a 4-cylinder base engine. This is what happens when Audi refuses to compromise on the sedan formula. The question isn't whether sedans are dead. The question is whether you're ready for one this good. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.